Hi everybody, this is going to be the Bird Girls again, and we're going to be Dr. Bird, right Dr. Bird? Yeah, this is going to be Dr. Bird. Dr. Kurd is her name. Dr. Kurd in this video. So everyone, let's begin. Let's show all the characters. First of all, let's show this one. The doctor, Dr. Kurd, the bird. I move her around just like that. And the patient is Peyton. Peyton, come over. This is Peyton. She is going to be the patient. Sammy? She is going to be the helper of the doctor, Dr. Kurd. And she is also going to, she's also going to be the check-in person. Anyway, Sammy just use this. Okay, so Dr. Kurd just has to poop, so it won't be for a while now. Let's begin! Sure. Today your doctor will be Dr. Kurd. Hey, you need to wait in the waiting room for Dr. Kurd. Hello? I'm looking for Patient Romara. Come up this week. Yeah. Hey, let's see. She has bad fever. Can you write that down in the book, please? Write that down in the book, please. Okay. Anything else? I have sometimes I have throw up. Sometimes I have throw up. Okay. I think she has that with that too. Dr. Sam, please come in and fix her. Please lay back in his chair. Ha. Okay. Do you feel any better? No, my stomach hurts now. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to rub a squishy little glue that has a face on your stomach. Any feeling better? Okay. And Marno, if you'll come back next week, and we'll have it ready for you. Well, your mission is to be done at 12:10. Thank you all for watching the Bird Girls. The Bird Girls. The Bird Girls. Doctor. The Dr. Bird Girls. So, thank you all for watching.